Okay, so to look more elegant, we need to practice brushing. So first of all, so do this, connect your ankles together, just like this. Connect your ankle bones together, this way, right? So keep your ankles together, like you cannot put even like a credit card here, so very, very tight. Yeah, and now try, as you change weight, to keep those ankles touching. Ankles touching, brushing. Of course, it's not at the same spot, but as they change, they still touch. There is no lost connection between them. So the ankle bones always rubbing against each other right here. Now next one. So you have two places extremely important. Is this ankle bones here, this bone, and now inside of your knee bone, inside of your knee, right here. They also have to touch as you change weight, and that will create incredible look of elegance and beauty. So brush, 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 connect, boom, change. So ankles brushing and knees brushing. So it's not what movements you do, it's how you do them. Yeah, we just today only focusing on the brushingness to create more elegance. Now, in this position, ankles are always touching and knees are brushing as you change weight. Most of the time when you walk, you will touch ankle bones first, knees after, or knees first, ankles after. In some steps, you can touch only ankles, only knees. You will see it. Yes, it's extremely important to brush. Yes. And we're not focusing on body actions right now, only on the brushing to create the look of elegance and beauty. Now, for example, do this exercise. Now you stay here. See, I want to point my foot back, I brush my ankles bones together, then my knees, knee, and then I point my foot with the high hip back. Now, if I would like to bring my leg forward or to the neutral position, see, I brush my knees first, then of course you want to touch calf muscles and then ankle bones. And just do this exercise. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Whether for the guys, let's say for the men, that will be not as important, but I recommend for guys do it as well. But for the ladies, that what create that beauty, and we often forget to do it. It has to be, to me, #1 priority. Yes. Yes, here. Now from here, change weight, keep your ankles together, knees together, and go other leg. Brush your ankles, brush your knees, and then you can open your hip and chest. Yes. When you're opening your hip, you connect your shoulder to hip by using compression. Very good. Now here, by changing pendulum, ankles connect, or knees connect first, then ankles. Now, of course, there is in between here, as JJ is moving now back, she brush her ankles, then she brushing her calf muscle, then she brush her knee, she brush her inner thighs, but we focusing just on this knee and ankles, because when your knee and ankles touch, it's immediately will make everything else touch. Yes, here, touch, touching, brushing, touching. So regardless, you may have the most beautiful body actions, everything transfer weight correct, but if you're not brushing, it will not look as elegant and beautiful as you want it to look. Now, so idea is very clear. So now let's take to the walks, like you wanted to do lockstep or something. But let's understand first how to look good. Let's say if I want from this position to go back. So most of people, they would go just like this. So what we want to do, besides we're not mentioning much actions here. So we're going to collect our ankles together. Then from this point, see our ankles brush, then we're brushing our knees. And only then we're moving backward. Now from here, when we replace, of course, we don't have brushing. Now, if I would like to go side, this will be now recommended. So we want to collect our knees together. And in some cases, we will connect our actually ankles together, and only then we'll go side. So let's repeat one more time. So we will connect our ankles touching, our knee inside of the knees touching, and then we going backward. Now forward, knees touching, ankles. Now, if from here we would like to go forward, we will collect our ankles first, touch. Then you see here, impossible to touch knees. So we're just gonna collect our ankles. We're gonna go forward, land. And here when we're doing check, that's where we're gonna connect our knees and replace. Now from here, I would like to go side. Like this will be now recommended. So we wanna get ankles together, side our foot to the side. And we go collect ankles, knees, back, walk, ankles, knees first, ankles, then side. Now from here, ankles first, go back, knees. Now, when you know how to brush, it will lead you to the second principle. So what is principle? Principle is something you do everywhere, every dance, every step. So principle number one, brushing. Principle number two, foot placement. So if you can brush your ankles correctly, you can brush your knees correctly, you will feel how to place that foot. And feet should be always placed, heel and toe on the same line. So if I place here, it's too much opening. If I place here, it's too much crossed. So when you brush, it's actually without using mirror, you can feel where you're placing that leg. The gradual landing. Ankles, knees brushing, then you land. Ankles, knee brushing, then you land. Brush ankles, knee. So you have already two principles. Brushing of the legs and feet placement. See, if I brush my knees and I brush my ankles, from here I can place my foot correctly. And that even without doing too good, like some crazy actions, it will already look extremely elegant and beautiful. You can use it for every walk, every action, any dance.